Hey, it's Jay Will back with another video. Today is February 10th, 8:44 a.m. I just woke up, and a lot of you guys been asking why haven't I been making videos. The reason why is because I just found out I've been receiving a lot of bot clicks from Microsoft Bing ads that's getting in the way of my sales. So once I figure out how to filter out all the bot traffic, then I'll start back making videos. But I have been making some sales with digistore. I'll show you guys real quick. Since everybody been asking me to make videos, I just started doing another case study on the research supplement on clickbank with Google ads. So we're gonna swing over to Google ads. This is my research ad. As you can see, I received 9 clicks and 91 impressions, a click-through rate of 9.89. $3 cost per click. I made 1 conversion. There you go. You can look at the demographics. As you can see, the age 45 through 54 is where I got the conversion at. Also, you can look at devices and see was it a computer, mobile, tablet. This one was a mobile device conversion. So far today, I received now 10 clicks. It just went up 1. I spent about $30. Let's swing over to clickbank. And come on. And bam, as you can see today, February 10th, made $79.27 with the research product. Split testing with ClickFunnels, these 2 landing pages, but this is the landing page that got me to sell today. I'll show you guys. You can copy the same exact landing page if you want. This is what got me to sell. There you go. Only took me about 10 minutes to make this page. So yeah, if you have any questions, just like, subscribe, comment, and I will start back making videos here soon once I figure out this bot thing. So yeah, y'all guys have a nice day.